What's your name? Okay, Logan, tell me. How old are you? How old are you? 7 years. You're old, very good. Okay, Logan, tell me. What color do you like? Very good. What toy do you like? Robots, very good. Great. Okay, let's start. Can you tell me who is she? Very good. Who is she? Very good. Who is he? Dad. Who is she? Sister. Okay, good. Is it a plane? No what? No, it. Very good. Is it a balloon? What is it? It's a. Very good. What color is the teddy bear? What color? Brown. It's brown. Very good. Okay, great. What is it? It's a chair. Very good. Is it? Pencil. Very good. And what is it? It's a crayon. Great. Logan, how is she? Very good. How is he? Thirsty. Very good. And how is she? Very good. And how are you? Happy. Okay, great. Do you remember what is it? What is it? It's an apple. What letter is it? Letter A. Is it capital or lowercase? Very good. And what is it? It's a. What letter is it? Letter L. Very good. Is it lowercase or capital? Lowercase. Okay, no, very good. High five. Yay!